This equipment shows how LDR work. So we need 3 battery. This is AA size in series, so it will be about 4.5 volt. So this is the brightness when there's no light. So now let's connect. Okay, this is the brightness when it's connected. This is the LDR, like dependent resistance. When it's dark, resistance is high, and see the brightness is gone, the light will go off. Right? You can also connect directly from here to here without the LDR. The brightness will be like this. You can see it's much brighter because this one, whether or not it's being whether it's bright or not bright, there'll be some resistance. So you can see that it's so bright. Once we connect LDR along with this in series with the LDR, the brightness will decrease, and when it's dark, the resistance will increase further and it may not light up the LED.